Hello, this is kamisibai. It's a Japanese word. This is kami and this is shibai. It means paper plate. This is paper and this is plate. So, let's start with this story, okay?
Okay, you want to open it?
Okay, this is...
Open it up a bit more.
This is why we celebrate the 2nd of May in Madrid. This is about the Spanish War of Independence. In English, it's called the Peninsular War. France wanted Portugal, but England and Portugal didn't want them, so they protected the coast, thinking that Spain was our ally. But Carlos IV let Napoleon into Spain, and he took Portugal through the back door. Once in Spain, Napoleon didn't want to leave. In 1808, Napoleon sent the royal family to Bayonne in France. This makes the Spanish people very angry. They decided to protest outside the palace. The people of Madrid pick up any weapon they can find, like knives, forks, etc. This painting by Francisco de Goya shows the people of Madrid fighting with the French soldiers and Mamelukes of the Imperial Guard on the 2nd of May 1808. This painting is also by Francisco de Goya, called the 3rd of May, and shows how the people of Madrid were shot the day after the attack. Many hundreds of people died. There is a square in Madrid called the 2nd of May, which commemorates the people who died that day. There is a plaque in the Puerta del Sol that says, "To all these local heroes who came together at this place in the first fight against Napoleon's troops." This picture shows the people celebrating in Spain in 1814, when the French finally lost the war and went home. That's why we celebrate the 2nd of May. The end. Yay!